How to remove your profile picture on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your profile picture on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner, click on it and then click settings, and here all you need to do is just click here on your profile and then click this camera icon here, click on it, and here you will find this icon here. Just click on it and click remove if you want to remove it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.